Okay, so here we're going to show how we put the Knight Customs door handles onto the TRAXXAS TRX-4 Defender body. Now what you can note is reference is always key. I'm a big fan of 1:1 scale reference. Look at the real Defender handles and notice that they come sort of parallel from this point in the door, and if you look at the point in the door of the TRAXXAS and then draw a straight line across parallel to the detent there, you'll notice that they're way too high and they're on a curve. So what we're going to do is remove these stickers and position these handles more where they're supposed to be, which is about down here, okay, here and here. These are the 3D printed Knight Customs Defender door handles. We made these specifically for the TRAXXAS TRX-4 Defender body. Step one is to remove the sprues. And do that simply with a pair of pliers, like this. There you go. So then once we've drilled our two holes, they simply click in, and then on the rear, I'm going to put an O-ring and a small bobby pin to secure them. Once the handles are in and the pins are in, we can go move the tape. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share below, and stay tuned for more how-to updates from Knight Customs. Thanks, bye-bye.